Today, I'll be showing you guys how to do constellation nail art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're going to start by painting your nails black. Take your dotting tool and put as many dots as you would like to make the constellation, and do this for all of your nails. Instagram is in the description below. Check out the cards at the top of the screen and check out the videos on the end screen. Now, it's time to connect the dots to make the constellation, and you will do this for the rest of your nails. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.